Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another wonderful recipe. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you for stopping by and you are highly welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this super delicious assorted stew, and less than 30 minutes this stew was actually ready. If you want to know how I prepare this stew, keep watching and don't go anywhere. If you like what you see, kindly hit the subscription button and the notification bell on. Turn it to all so that you can get every of my notification. Thank you. Here we are, beautiful lovers of good things. Here are some of the ingredients you need for this super delicious assorted stew. This is a very fast and quick stew. I have my red bell pepper, green long pepper, what you know as paprika. I have spring onions. I have scotch bonnet pepper, and there is tomatoes. You are going to see everything. I also have my normal onions. So I will go ahead and cut everything, remove some seed, and blend everything together. Here, after I finish cutting all the bell pepper, I will go ahead and start blending them. I will go ahead to slice the rest ingredients, which is tomatoes, onions, and my ginger. How could I have forgotten ginger? We'll blend everything, then we'll go ahead with the rest ingredients. And one thing I love about this stew, the taste is so unique. I don't know if it's because we add all these so much ingredients, but I love this mixed pepper stew. So wonderful. Here we'll go ahead with the rest ingredients, which is my meat stock, my tomato paste, the rest ingredients, which is black pepper, thyme, curry powder, garlic powder, and onions powder. My Maggi cube, the onions I'll be using to fry the stew, the different parts of meat, egg, ishaki, goat meat, ishaki, momo, ring, cow leg, and beef, and there are different type of meat there. And here are the ingredients I introduced earlier. Apart from the sunflower oil, you can use any type of oil of your choice for this recipe. Then I go in with my onions. I will allow it to fry for some minutes. Then I will go ahead with the dry ingredients. I also allow the dry ingredients to fry for less than 3 minutes. Then I go in with the tomatoes paste as well. This is a very fast stew and so delicious. After I allow the tomatoes paste to fry for some minutes, then I add the pepper mix. And this place you have to be careful. After using all those different kind of pepper, there was so many liquid on our pepper mix, so you allow it to dry up by giving the stew more time to cook so that your stew can be perfect. Yeah, so guys, this stew is so delicious. If you have not tried your stew this way, go ahead and try it. You will love it. Can you see it has dried a little bit? Then I add my Maggi cube and I stir everything together. After this stage, I add all the meat as well, which is the protein. And as we wait for the stew to continue cooking, I would say a very big thank you to my old and new subscribers. For my OGs, thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. May the Lord God bless you for all the great support. And for the new, thank you. If you enjoy watching my video and you subscribe, thank you for subscribing. May God bless you. Please do well to on the notification bell so that you will not just subscribe and you are not getting my notification. on the notification bell so that you can get all my video. Thank you as you do. At this stage, to balance everything, I have little part of smoked microfiche, then I pieces it and I add it to this stew. I tell you, the flavor this microfiche gave this stew was absolutely perfect. If you have not tried your stew this way, go ahead, try it. You will not regret trying this recipe. I add a little of the meat stock because I will not be using everything actually. And if you want to make this stew more faster, make sure after blending your peppermints, just drill out all the juice, remove all the juice, then you go ahead and cook your stew without taking time at all. So guys, I will cover this stew to cook. And guys, can you see this? Tell me what you think about this stew. Let me know. This is just normal regular stew, and our assorted stew is ready. Oh my god, thank you all so much if you watched to this extent. And if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, what we know as thumbs up, share to your friends and family if you can, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you all, and I would love to see you all in my next video. I will add the egg, and stay blessed. Bye.